welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and in remembrance of Virgil Abloh, we are continuing on with some of my favorite shoes that he released with Nike. This one today that we're going to be taking a look at is the Air Max 90 in the Desert Ore and Mango colorway. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe right now. Also, feel free to leave a thumbs up on this video. Leave any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have 22 more shoes that we're going to be posting for the next month. Also, check out that join button. We've got some amazing membership perks as well as an amazing merch store. So as mentioned earlier, or shall we sing the song? On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me off-white Prestos, 2 CASHAPP blazers, 2 off-white 90s. So we are going to be looking at this pair of off-white Air Max 90s in the Desert Ore and Mango colorway. We're going to talk about size and fit on these, and then we're going to conclude with how I styled these. So let's jump right into it. So as you guys know, this was released, the Air Max 90 is part of the first 10 that Virgil originally did his collaborations with Nike on. Not in this colorway, it was in the white colorway, but in 2019, this colorway released as well as a black colorway. This out of the Air Max 90s that he did a collab on was my favorite. So again, you already know, you've seen this in my shoes that I bought for resale for the first time a couple months ago. This was one of those shoes, and I'm just so fortunate again to have this in my collection and just to remember Virgil's legacy on. So let's talk about this color scheme. So this is known as the Desert Ore colorway. So you're seeing this Desert Ore color scheme all throughout that toe box region. Working our way up, this is kind of a nice goldeny toned lace. We've got the quotations of the shoelaces on the front there. And if you're not filling those laces, we do have more of a brown hued lace, or if you want to add a pop of color, we also have the, what they're calling, I guess, the mango color scheme for the laces here, which I think matches the swoosh mark quite nicely. So let's take a look at those details. Actually, why don't we just look at the stitching here too? We've got some accents of orange and then the Nike swoosh mark on the side there, quite similar to the tongue on the Prestos. And again, that exposed foam at the top. All right, let's take a look at those details and then move on to the side panels. On to the side panels, we've got that nice verbiage on the side that Off-White is known for, on top of this really vibrant swoosh, which is actually an amazing color in my opinion with this khaki color scheme. I think it just goes so nicely together. Got the nice air bubble going on there. Working our way to the back, you see the nice suede, more of that exposed foam on the top. We've got the off-white logo on the insole, and then again that nice pop of color for the swoosh. This time we have this nice kind of aqua marine color scheme there, and I love the color choice that they went with on the zip tie on this one. It's kind of like a periwinkle color scheme. I just think the periwinkle with the khaki tan color scheme and this pop of this mango colorway goes so well together. The shoe is completed with that air bubble, and then again that nice kind of desert ore color scheme for the midsole and the outsole. Let's take a look at those last and final details. All right, so moving on to size. So I am a woman size 9, a men's size 7.5, and I would say stick true to size on this one in the Air Max 90. I feel like it fits me perfectly. As you guys know, the Air Max 90 was one of my most coveted and most favorite sneakers that I started collecting with. So this is definitely my diamond in the rough, and I'm again just so happy to have this in the collection. But I would say if you do have high arch narrow feet, to stick true to size. If you do have wider flat feet, this could differentiate size that may work better for you. All right, let's jump into styling. So as far as styling goes, this is just such a great colorway. I feel like this is a color scheme that you can rock all year round. So this was definitely shot a few months ago, but it was nice when it was warm out to shoot in tank tops. So for the first look, I had a cream tank with some matching cream pants. I think the monochromatic look just goes quite nicely with this, and you know, these nice hits of color really just pop off the shoe, specifically when you wear just a monochromatic all head to toe look. For the second look, I wanted to spice it up a little bit, so I wore a leopard print dress. I think the leopard print colors just really vibed quite nicely with the color scheme of this shoe. I layered that with a similar kind of khaki toned color schemed coat that was a button down jacket. And then for the last and final look, I wore an olive brown blazer, and I had a nice kind of salmon toned shirt underneath that, and I tucked that into some simplistic just denim jean shorts. So definitely a more summery vibe look, but I definitely think you can bring that similar look into the winter and fall with some nice just light denim pants. All right, out of those 3 looks, you let me know what was your favorite out of the 3, or how would you style these?
wanna see you again. Wondering if that dude was more than a friend. I know I got a reputation, but right now I feel like I'm taken. Oh, I can't stop thinking about you. Trying to sleep, no pillow will do. I'm running my mind over time. I stay wide as the moon. Girl, you know I can't stop thinking about you. Am I insane? Oh, you're feeling it too. Wonder if I'm flying blind. Your vibes got me high as the moon. I'm thinking about what you tell your friends. I'm thinking about the way you shook my hand. Wondering what if I missed my chance. I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about you. I'm thinking about the good times that we'll have. I'm thinking about when I meet your dad.
That's it for this episode. Again, I just want to say RIP to Virgil Abloh, one of the greats. I'm just, again, very, very fortunate to have so many added sneakers that I added a few months ago to my sneaker collection, and just happy to keep showing and sharing the shoes that you've created a magic on, and just I'm happy that you have left such an amazing legacy, and I get to share that with the shoes that you've created on my channel. All right. Thanks again to all of you who are new. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell because we have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, click that join button for our membership perks as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa Hill. We will catch you on the next episode.
And put those presents beneath the tree. Cause baby, it's that time of year again. Christmas is here.